My name is Junaid, and today in this video I'm going to perform network design assessment 3. So in this assessment I'm going to perform 5 different tasks using Zabbix and 3 different tasks using Spicework. So let me show you my setup for this assessment. I have downloaded Zabbix on my virtual machine and I can show you. Here it is, my setup for Zabbix. So it is the dashboard for Zabbix, and here is our Spicework to create tickets. So let's start it with Spicework. In this we will do 3 tasks. For the first one I am going to create a new ticket. For this it's the organization for whom I am creating the tickets. It's for Junaid. So we can add the contact detail as whom we are going to contact regarding that ticket is Junaid. And here we can add what for what purpose this ticket is. Like we are creating the key ticket for keypad issue, and we can add description as space spacebar isn't working. So we can assign this to Junaid, and we can change the priority, like how important or not important is that issue. Like keypad is major issue, so we can change the priority to high. So it's hardware problem, so we can select the category and then create ticket. So here we can see we have created the ticket regarding keypad issue. So in the next step I'm going to modify that ticket. So for this we can change the status, like we can change the status like we can change the status regarding how's the progress on this issue. Like if this issue is solved, we can close it from here, and if this is on still on waiting, we can select waiting from here. And we can also change the priority, like if we change the priority to medium, we can see here the priority is changed to medium. So that was our second task. In the next task I'm going to create a rule regarding that ticket. So from here I can create a new rule regarding its regarding keypad issue, and we can change the create category created by and Junaid, and actions assigned to Junaid. So that means we are adding a rule, like every issue regarding keypad will directly assign to Junaid sir. So every issue come with keypad will directly goes to Junaid. So we can add it. So here we can see the trigger rule is added and is on. So that's our 3 tasks using Spicework. Now we are going to perform task using Zabbix. So for the first task in Zabbix, I'm going to create a host. We will add host. We will go to create host, and then we can add name to that host. We are adding Zabbix server. We can also select host group, like we are gonna select Linux server, and then we will add template, like it's AXA. We will add that one here, and then we will add agent, and here we will add the IP address, which is this one, and that's all right. and we can click on add, and here we can see we have successfully created a host here. And now we will go to latest data to perform second task. Like if we go to host, we click on that one, we will create the item for that host. So we will create a new item. It's for network traffic. We will detect network traffic. We will add a key, which will be system CPU, yeah, that key. And then we will add necessary information. So we will add this uh, item. So it's saying the item with key already exists, so that means I have already created, so that's the big server. So we will go with that one. So we will go to latest data to monitor that data, and then we will apply that rule which is already here, and we can see here it give us all the data regarding that Zabbix server. So if we click on that graph, and we can read and monitor the data like it's showing here, it's the graph. So we can get the data regarding that Zabbix server, which is about the number of processed text valued per second. We can also exist for last 15 minutes, this week, this month, like how old we are gonna get the results. So we can get from here. So in the next step, I am going to create a map. If we go on map, then just a second. Oh yeah. Next, I am going to create a map. So here we can go to create a map. We can name it any like network traffic map. So its width height is fine, and then I will apply add that map. Cannot add. Oh, I have already created that map, so I can go into maps again, and here is the map, network map that I have already created. And we can click it on here, and we can also minimize the severity like warning average high. We can also edit that map. From here we can add any information we want to add, and this is the all about Zabbix. So thank you so much, have a good one.